Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm daughter of Rehman is present here to serve you. Today, the topic is the hunt of the realness. Today's video is extremely interesting and informative. If you are watching our channel for the first time, then please like and subscribe. Let's begin. The loins you are watching, it's hungry and waiting for its prey. The loins spotted a bull. The first loin attacked the bull, and then slowly all the loins attacked it together, and then they all ate together. The loin is eating its prey, and the wolves who are watching and closely, they are watching that lion. Tiger is watching its prey from behind the tree and then slowly move closer to it and then attacked the pig. The jaguar is watching its prey then suddenly all the jaguars in its group attacked the bull together. All the wolves surrounded a lion. The lion, frightened, ran towards another lion. But the second lion directly attacked the first one. The sea bears are hunting and eating a deep sea fish. These fish are very powerful and move against the current of the river. The wild chameleon hunted a honey bee. See you in the next video. If you want to know more, tell me in the comment section. And then please do like, subscribe, and comment and press the bell icon to get our video first. Goodbye.